I don't take any excuse or excuse. Take your excuse. Angisamfuni andifuni nomntanakho andinifuni nonke plus nabantu bakini ni right nibe yilento niyiyo senibonakala ukuthi you are all cheaters.
Hayibo.
Ngisafuna uzwa next ngawe esuka kuwe ungicela udelete ama number am ublock kuma social media akho yonke into ehlangene nami ngizakudelete khona manje isikhulu bengicabanga ukuthi vele once and for all ngivele ngimdelete once yazi ba into ethi yaphela once and for all.
Hey, this guy is deleting numbers.
I'll do the same, it's fine.
Okay, so tell me, my lady, ne?
Yeah?
The father, the real father of the kid,
Yeah.
was he aware that it's not his baby, or he denied the baby? That's why you gave this one the baby. Or they were both.
I wouldn't say he denied, he just didn't care. He knew about the baby.
Oh, so you had two fathers
Why
of the baby.
ungantsheli iqiniso? Why ungantsheli iqiniso?
So you had two fathers of the baby.
Practically.
So wena uyimillionaire.
The real father was...
Uyimillionaire wena njengoba sikhuluma because uthola imali both sides.
Yeah, she's getting money both sides.